Hello, I have a design team project to share with you. It's from Crafty Me Shop. I have created this piece. I will put the Facebook group for Crafty Me Shop in the description box below. And this is for all the laces that I've used today are from that shop. And I just wanted to share with you this dress form that I created. It is actually, I'm going to show you the label. This is actually a Michaels one. Obviously, I'll take the label off. But that is a Michaels. It had a white like coating over it. I stripped that down, sanded and painted, and I really liked the embossing here of these roses, and that film that they had over it just blocked it. I've also decoupaged French antique magazines to have that text in the background. Also did a little bit of stamping with a French script stamp. These are all the laces, lots of layers. The way that I have it shaped coming out on this dress form, I used 2 paper mache cones and put them together. I wanted it so if I did want to take this apart, or anybody that receives this wanted to take it apart and redo the dress form, I wanted to keep all of this intact, and I didn't want to ruin it, you know, so much and glue to the form so much that it would not be salvageable. So I think I've done that. If you can see some of the text in the magazines behind it. Let's see, what else did I use? I added this trim here. Put the train on there. I'm not a seamstress. I'm really not, clearly. But I made this little train on the back of this dress. And this piece is a lace piece that I purchased from the shop. And I just stiffened the fabric and added that little bit of glimmer. I added this rhinestone here. This is a snippet piece off of something that I received from Crafty Me Shop. This chain link is mine. It's pearl and rhinestone. Let's see, some seam binding that I used. All these little flowers are from that. This lace here is a CMS lace. Same with these little pieces that I cut out from some of the strips of ribbon that I received. Little appliques I've added here. Rhinestone's mine, but this trim around the waistline. And this applique here, this is another purchased piece. And this trim here I received, and I really like how it turned out. What I was going to use this for is, you know, putting some pearls or some rhinestone things around it and putting it by my sewing machine. Here's the underneath, if you can see. Even the cones, I did the inside of the cones with the paper as well. Lots of gesso, of course. And I'm really pleased with the way that it turned out. So this is my project. It was a one and done type thing. I was a guest for this project, and I really, really appreciate that. And I hope you enjoyed. If somebody is interested in this piece, I'm not going to put it in my Etsy shop, but you can contact me in the email address in the description box. And we can, as long as you're in the U.S., and we can talk about price and shipping and payment if somebody is interested. So, okay, let me measure that real quick if I can. Let's see. The dress form itself is 16-ish inches. The wingspan is like 8.5 or 9 inches across. So just to give you an idea, and I would put some cardboard on each side of here and really try to ship it so these wouldn't, you know, break. They do have some really stiffness to it, and with the film that I put on it, the draping liquid, there's like little tiny breakages of that. I think just adds that texture to it, but it really just reminded me of like fairy or angel wings, and I just thought that it turned out really well. So, okay guys, have a great day, and thanks for watching. Bye.